What's up, guys? We're at Auto Illusions with the F150, so that can only mean one thing. It's time for some modifications. Let's head inside and I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, so what are we going to do today? New wheels and tires. We're going to go with the fuel torque and a 20x9 with a plus 20 offset. Let's take a look. Super excited to see these. Ooh, look at those. That looks awesome. Got a nice little lip on there. Nice contoured spokes. I think that's going to look real sweet. And then for tires, we went with a 305 5520 Terra Grappler G2. I think these are going to work out awesome. I didn't get the LTs. These are a little bit lighter, and the wheels are super lightweight, so it should make for a pretty lightweight setup overall. Super excited. All right, we picked up the wheels and tires from Auto Illusions. We're going to mount them up and see what they look like. Super excited for this. Like I said, we got the fuel torque 20x9. Got your tire pressure sensors this time, so we don't have to worry about the ones in the stock wheels. Already programmed. Alright, ready to mount up the tire. Alright, we got the 305 5520 Nitto Terra Grapplers. So they got two different sidewalls. Like I don't even know what you would describe that. They're on one side. And then we have some lightning bolts on this side. Which way do you like, babe?
I like the lightning bolts.
Lightning bolts it is. Oh, that went swimmingly. That looks like a pretty sweet setup. What do you think, babe?
Not too bad.
So I'm excited to see what this setup weighs compared to the stock setup. So I put a lot of effort into this purchase. I wanted lightweight rims. These rims come in at 31 pounds a piece. And I specifically didn't go with an LT tire, first of all, because I don't need it. Secondly, I wanted something light. We want the lightest unsprung weight we can get, so we're going to put this one on the scale next to the stock wheel and do a little comparison here, but I'm curious to see where this ends up. If I saved weight, went heavier, we'll see here shortly. Now we're going to balance them up.
I like those.
Huh?
I like those.
Not too bad. Only 1 3/4 ounces for something this big. That is really good. Now, Rich at Auto Illusions is going to yell at me because I didn't paint the weights black, but it is what it is. Perfect. That was easier than how I anticipated. One down, 3 to go. Oh, look how good they are in the snow. All right, we got the truck and the shovel ready to get up. The first thing I want to do, I brought the scale, is we're going to put the stock wheel tire assembly on the scale, see where we're at, then we're going to mount the new tires and do a comparison and weight. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison. This is a 275 60/20. We're going to a 305 55/20, so the tire is definitely wider, but the overall circumference is minimal, maybe a ½ inch, ¼ inch. So it shouldn't really mess up the speedometer or anything. Now, my goal was for this wheel to be about the same weight or less than this wheel. I don't know if it's going to happen, so we're going to put this one on the scale and keep our fingers crossed. We didn't really add any unsprung weight. All right, let's see what the stock wheel tire weigh. Whoa, 79 pounds. That's more than I thought. We might be good with the new wheels. They might be even lighter. Moment of truth. Wow. Only about a pound difference. That's awesome. That's exactly what I was hoping. Actually, I would have wanted it to be lighter, but we did go with a wider tire, wider rim. So, to be 1 pound difference, that's awesome. So we decided to go with the black little lug nuts to fit the, the black wheels. I think it's going to look really sharp, all black, all the time.
You almost did that as easy as I did the Bronco mount.
Look at that. That looks awesome. I'm so excited to see this thing on the ground.
Where here it says fuel.
Yeah, like that?
You need to have that.
Yeah, so when I park it, I got to get out and look to make sure they're.
Yep.
Very good, Sarah. All right, we're ready to lower it down and see what it really looks like. Super excited. What do you think, babe? What's that offset looking like? Like it. Just enough. Just enough poke. That's how I liked it. The Tundra came out that way. Her Bronco looks like that. My opinion.
My Bronco looks better than that.
Yeah, maybe a little bit. But that's perfect. I didn't want to get too crazy. I didn't want to have to put flares on it. That's exactly what I was looking for. Fantastic. Here it is from the front. I think it gives it a much more aggressive stance. That was a 24 millimeter offset difference from the stock wheels. So I think that looks perfect. Exactly what I was going for. When you're installing any wheel, but especially an aftermarket wheel for the first time, you definitely want to use a torque wrench, and then about 500 miles, you want to go ahead and re-torque them. All right, I got away from the rack so we can see it in all its glory. I think it looks pretty fantastic. Like I said, just enough poke with that offset. Nothing to alarm the police or fling crap up all over the side of our truck. I won't need to put fender flares on. I just pulled it out of the stall here and I was full lock both directions and it did not rub at all, where I did have a a little bit of rub on the Tundra. Fortunately, no rub on the Bronco with the 35s with the stock suspension. But yeah, I think that looks just about perfect. So first mod on the F-150, and I am super, super happy. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Super, super excited with how this came out. I think the offset's perfect. There was no rubbing at full lock. I love the look of the dual wheels. The Nitto tire wrappers are tried and true. I should get really good mileage out of those with even tread wear. So I want to know what you guys think of this setup. Like I said, I'm thrilled with it, but I want to know what you guys think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for checking out my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And have a great day.